Hey everyone, if you're looking to remove ads from your TCL TV and your TCL TV has started to show you a lot of ads, this could be because you're in your shop option when you go into your settings. So I'm going to show you how you can just go ahead and change it to home so you don't see ads anymore. So first, what you're going to want to do is take your remote and you're going to click on the settings button, and then it's going to give you an option of home settings, picture settings, and system settings. You're going to click on system, and this is the menu that you'll see. Now you're going to go all the way down to click on shop mode settings, or you're going to see a toggle here where it's going to ask you mode. You're going to click on mode and you're going to toggle this shop mode into a home mode. When you make it into a home mode, you will not see ads on your TCL TV anymore, and that's how that works. And if that does not solve your issue, that probably means you have some sort of an application on your TV that's causing you all of these ads. Otherwise, this should solve all of your issues. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope this solves your issues. Catch you guys in the next one.